If you've ever felt buried under a mountain of emails, trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to color code your emails in Outlook, step by step, so you can spot important messages at a glance and finally get organized. First, open Outlook and head to your inbox. Up at the top, click on the View tab. Here, look for View Settings and give that a click. Now you'll see a bunch of options. Choose Conditional Formatting. A new window pops up. You'll see a few preset rules, but let's make a new one. Click Add, then give your rule a name, something like Work Emails or Urgent. Hit Font, and this is where the magic happens. Pick a font color that stands out. Bright red for urgent, blue for team updates. Whatever works for you. Next, hit Condition. This is where you tell Outlook what to look for. You can filter by sender, subject, or even certain words. For example, if you want all emails from your manager to pop, type their email address into the From field. Click OK to save the condition, then OK again to lock in your font color, and one last OK to close everything up. Head back to your inbox and boom! You'll see your emails instantly pop with color, making it way easier to spot what matters most. You can repeat this process for as many rules as you need. Once you get the hang of it, your inbox becomes a whole lot less overwhelming and a lot more colorful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.